let's start the question and answers. Type your questions in the chat box and I'm here to answer. Yes, Raghavendra. WhatsApp group, yes. And you will be also added to the Apne Log group, Raghavendra. Pranit, we have to also add to the Apne Log group. So Raghavendra, you will be part of two WhatsApp groups. One is Apne Log WhatsApp group, जहाँ पे सिर्फ वो लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने एनरोल किया है, जो हमारे साथ है पिछले 3 साल से, और आप ये वाले ग्रुप पे भी रहोगे जिसमें ये आपके सारे वेबिनार के पार्टिसिपेंट्स रहेंगे. ओके. So Deepak का question है, how can I connect with the decision makers of the companies who are not using much of social media? Okay, yes, now I remember. So Deepak, first thing is you define their customer persona, their age group, their gender, their interests, their likings, their inclinations, their habits, their attributes, their attitudes. And then according to that, you will come to know which social media they are using. If you come to know that they are using LinkedIn, then LinkedIn, of course, you can target the LinkedIn, right? On LinkedIn, make sure that you use the hashtags, you use what do you call, LinkedIn gives you a feature. Whenever you post anything on LinkedIn, in the comment box, if you mention someone's name, especially influential name, then uska views बढ़ जाता है, right? Apart from social media, in fact मैं ये सारे programs में suggest करता हूँ कि सिर्फ online पे dependent नहीं रहना है. Although digital marketing is 90%, but make sure that you are using a hybrid model. When I say hybrid, it means 90% online and 10% offline. Of course, it depends on your sector, in your which segment you are catering to. Every decision is in LinkedIn. Perfect. Now, Deepak, you can also personally message some of them. You can have a small template, keep a template ready, and then you can personally message on LinkedIn to those decision makers, because mostly people are जो decision makers होते हैं या जो मेरे लेवल के लोग होते हैं, वो फेसबुक मैसेंजर्स पे या इंस्टाग्राम के डीएम पे दे डोंट रिप्लाई. बट लिंक्डइन पे अगर मैसेजेस आते हैं, तो अगर मुझे भी आप लिंक्डइन पे पर्सनली मैसेज करोगे तो मैं उसको पढ़ता हूँ. ऑल्दो मेरी टीम मेरे पूरा सोशल मीडिया हैंडल करती है, मैं कभी कभी फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन को जस्ट रिसर्च के लिए यूज करता हूँ. सो यू कैन मैसेज देम पर्सनली. Abhishek is saying, what's the next step to those who enroll for the program? Abhishek, you have taken the decision. Now the next step you don't have to take. You just have to wait. And after the workshop, Pranit will be sending you an email. In that email, you will be getting the link of all the videos, 24 videos. And with the videos, you will be also getting the PDFs attached. All the PDFs, जिसमें आपको action planners और notes होंगे. And apart from that, you have to then reply to that email with your address, physical address, और address पे आपको आपकी book deliver हो जाएगी. And then you will be also added to अपने लोग, जहाँ पे उस WhatsApp group पे आपको updates मिलेंगे. And then I will be meeting you, especially Raghavendra, Abhishek, and Saugat on Thursday on the same platform. Thank you, Abhishek. My pleasure. Okay, so Dr. Sumant is saying we are having dental clinic chain. Fantastic. You have a chain. Superb. Name Dental Mantra Dental Clinics. Okay. In the business from last 4 years, but right now we are struggling to grow to next level and raise funds. Is there any one-to-one mentoring program for that? Yes. Dr. Suman, and for others, let me tell you, I've worked with a couple of startup founders, those who are in the aspiring stage and those who are like Dr. Suman, on one-to-one basis. But there is a procedure. If you are interested, let me tell you, first of all, it's a premium program. It is not like, जहाँ पे मतलब उसका जो cost structure है, वो थोड़ा सा higher side पे जाता है. So on an average, tentatively, it goes to somewhere around 45,000 for 3 months. It's a 3 months program where I meet you in every week. And apart from me, some of our experts help you to raise your funds. So Dr. Sumant, for that, I want you to note down Pranit's number and approach to Pranit. Pranit will actually send you a procedure जहाँ पे आपको analyze किया जाएगा, and then we will, my team will connect you. But if you are serious and if you are looking forward for it, I will be definitely looking to work with you. No problem. Dr. Sumant, right? Sumant, I would appreciate if you can share your contact number. If you are not comfortable sharing with everyone, there is an option of sharing it privately. You can share it privately to Pranit and or Ganesh and or Vikrant. Dr. Sumant. Okay. Okay. So Pranit, Sumant has mentioned the number. Guys, like Sumant, if any one of you wish me to, if you wish that you want me to help you on personal level, and you don't want to go on a this basis, video course basis, then you can talk to Pranit. Our batches are starting in next month. Those who have enrolled for the video course, you can also become part of the batch, which will start in the next month. And if you enroll for the batch, तो आपका ये जो amount है ये उसमें से reimburse हो जाता है, I mean waive हो जाता है. So, and got to know that even Suvarna has paid. Congratulations, Suvarna. Good decision. Fantastic. So guys, next question, if any question, because now I think I will have to leave. I have another sessions, one-on-one session scheduled with my mentees after lunch. But if you have any question, or if I have missed any question, जो chat box में शायद ऊपर चला गया होगा. All those who have enrolled, another announcement, note down Pranit's number, official number. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, send me a request on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, but message लिखिए क्योंकि बहुत सारे friend request आते हैं, so कभी-कभी हम लोग उसको ये नहीं कर पाते हैं. Suvarna is saying you covered in the requirements of. Thanks a lot, Suvarna. Yes, and there are a lot of things which you will be getting in the video course, and you will be part of the program. In fact, Suvarna and all those who want to become a trainer, note down on Tuesday evening 7:30 p.m. I will be talking to a couple of people like you who wish to become a trainer like me or a coach like me. So that webinar is exclusively for trainers, coaches, consultants, and speakers. It's an amazing profession, guys. So all those who are aspiring to become a trainer, I'll meet you on Tuesday evening. Yes, thanks, Suvarna. Okay, any question, guys? Okay. So guys, now I'm gonna end the meeting. And Pranit, thanks a lot. Everyone, I had a fantastic time. Let me just show you my Ganpati Bappa. If you can just check. कल बहुत बढ़िया मूर्ति आई है. Yes, I can give you the Ganpati का दर्शन. Just check this, if it helps. And on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I wish everyone with all positive energy, all peace. COVID-19 थोड़ा सा challenging है, लेकिन impossible नहीं है. We all have to overcome this. जितने भी लोग जॉब में है, I repeat, जॉब को कंटिन्यू करो, उसके साथ साथ सीख लो. जितने भी लोग बिजनेस में है, कॉस्ट पे काम करो. सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग बहुत एग्रेसिवली करना पड़ेगा. सर्वाइव होना बहुत टफ है. COVID-19 और शायद 6 महीना 1 साल रह सकता है, ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. And Ganpati Bappa Moria. Yes, Suvarna, Saugata, Nikhil. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Chalo, let's end this meeting with this Ganpati Bappa Moria. Fantastic. Chalo guys, take care. I had an amazing time. Thanks a lot. And see you on Tuesday evening. Make sure you become part of my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and email community. I'm not on WhatsApp. My team handles the WhatsApp groups. So Pranit is your leader. He's your manager. He's going to guide you. Chalo, bye-bye. Take care.